You've always handled your own finances. You're smart, disciplined, and you've done well. But here's the truth no one talks about. There's a point where doing it all yourself starts to cost more than it saves. The strategy that got you here may not be enough to take you further. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 silent signals that your financial life is outgrowing DIY, with the last one being a giveaway. Simple, practical steps you can take to avoid costly blind spots. A new way to think about financial planning that saves more than just money. And stories from real people who've made the shift and never looked back. This isn't about giving up control, it's about upgrading your plan so it finally matches your life. Let's jump in. Sign number 1, complexity is outpacing your capacity. Let me ask you this. Has your financial life gotten more complicated lately? Maybe you've added stock options, rental properties, trust for your kids, and suddenly your weekend spreadsheet isn't cutting it anymore. One couple we worked with had always managed their money on their own. But once they sold their business, their world changed overnight, and so did the risks. They didn't need more apps, they needed a plan that could connect the dots. So here's your action step. If your balance sheet has grown, but your strategy hasn't, it's time to reassess. Sign number 2, you're leaving money on the table. This one's sneaky because it's not about what you did, it's about what you didn't do. Things like not harvesting losses in a down market, missing the window to do a Roth conversion, keeping too much in cash after a liquidity event, or not updating your estate plan when your life changed. These may not feel urgent, but over time, these missed opportunities can quietly add up. So here's your action step. Review your last 12 months. Where did action or inaction cost you? And sign number 3, it's starting to feel like a second job. Here's the real giveaway. If managing your finances is starting to drain you, if it's something you avoid because you're too busy, too tired, or too stressed, you're in good company. One client told us, I'm not looking for a hobby. I want this handled so I can focus on my life. That's not giving up control. That's buying back your time and your peace of mind. So here's your action step. Ask yourself, what would it feel like to hand this off and still know it's getting done right? Here's the bottom line. DIY works until it doesn't. If complexity is rising, opportunities are slipping through the cracks, and you're feeling the weight of it all, that's your signal and maybe time to upgrade. If you're ready for a plan that grows with you, click the link in the description to schedule a consultation. And if you found this helpful, check out our related video on blind spots that can quietly end up costing you big. Take care, and we'll see you next time.